What are we doing?
We are dove attempting to hunt.
Where? Right here, right from 3, 2, 1. Bam, baby! Great for pictures. Sucks to do.
It's December 31st. It's about 10:30. We've been out here for a couple hours. Ain't seen a single dove. Fog has yet to lift. And we got a heat front coming through. No birds. No birds? Eating some bojangles, headed to another field because the field we were at, the doves were not flying, so we're going to check out this private property that we have permission to hunt at.
I'm also eating bojangles. I'm gonna give y'all a little tip. Get a piece, or you have to get 2 pieces of chicken because they're small today. Put them on your biscuit. You see this? You got yourself a sandwich now. You're welcome. Try them.
You wear 1 or 2?
Coming over, y'all. Great, coming right over. Shoot it.
I think you could have had that leave one. Hey, right here, right here. Overs. Oh.
Got about 6 or 7 doves right in line with that house. Can't shoot. They're smart.
I got you. I didn't get me though.
It's beeping.
Yeah, we're good. Let me see. Put your head down.
Coming over, y'all. All right, well, we're about to finish up and we had a pretty good day. What do you think?
It's an alright day.
So there's the final. I didn't even count how many we had. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There we go.
20 birds.
20 birds.
Grab a gun if there's a bird over.
I'm watching. Oh! Alright, it's time to clean these suckers. You just peel the skin off that breast right there. We like to just cut them out, but we used to clip the whole breast out, but we're just gonna fillet them basically. All the bone. Just keep pulling. Just like that. Look at that. Yum. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's it. Dove poppers and deer steak. Dove poppers and deer. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed another video. Be sure to check out the deer hunting video that I posted about a week earlier. These are just a couple of a few videos that we're going to be working on throughout the season. And as always, spend time out in the outdoors and enjoy creation. Thank you guys.